cold outside today. It's minus 23 Celsius, which is about minus 9 Fahrenheit. So I thought we'd cook inside today. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm really happy to have you here. And today we're gonna make bacon pancakes, which are perfect for your next camping trip. So we're gonna put some oil in the bottom of our skillet and fry bacon until it's really crispy. Try to keep it as flat as possible. So take your bacon, dip it in your pancake mix. Now, you can use pancake mix from a box, or if you like, I've put the recipe in the comments section, so just look right there. And I'm now going to put the bacon back in the pan with the bacon fat.